Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by making sure the Xbox One is updated and the Series X controller has power. Turn the console on and install any pending updates. This ensures compatibility. Now insert fresh AA batteries or charge the controller using a USB-C cable. You want stable power throughout pairing. Once done, make sure the controller is off. Hold the Xbox button to verify. So the next steps cleanly start the sync process without leftover connections interfering. Next, you'll pair wirelessly. On the Xbox One, press the console's pair button. Location varies by model but is clearly marked. Immediately press and hold the controller's pair button. After turning the controller on by pressing the Xbox button, hold for 3 to 5 seconds until its light blinks rapidly. The console's light will blink too. When both lights turn solid, the controller is paired. If you have multiple controllers, repeat steps individually to avoid swapping active connections. For a reliable connection or to update controller firmware, plug a USB-C cable between the controller and Xbox One. You'll gain immediate control and can check updates in settings. Once connected, verify buttons and sticks in guide settings, devices, and connections so you don't start a game with drift or dead zones. If pairing fails, power cycle the console, remove and reinsert batteries, and try repairing. This clears transient Bluetooth states and resolves most connection hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.